This cash register is a favorite of ours. It comes with a lot of accessories, including a pretend bank card that beeps when you put it in there. You can open, and there's play money, and also play coins of different values. There's also a little pretend scanner, and you can add with this. So like 2 times 6 equals 12. So yeah, you can do all sorts of different things with it. And then there's also an off switch, of course, or clear and open.
And this thing beeps too.
Oh, does it? Oh, okay, yeah. So that beeps when you do that. Thank you for showing me that.